if you struggle with the cue ball speed or shot selection, that is a very good drill to do if you want to improve it. So 2 reds aside of the left and right side of the blue, and 2 reds covering middle pocket, just the middle part of their middle pocket is open. So you just have to make sure that as you play this routine and you make position for the blue, you don't want to be too straight or too wide from the blue. So you want to have a slightly angle from the left or right side. So you have to naturally control the cue ball speed and understand logic how you play certain shots. Those balls are used just for the insurance to make sure that if you miss the position, then you can go back to the game easier. So I start this drill, so I put the red ball into the middle pocket. Nice speed control. I have a slight angle for the blue. Now I could easily put the blue and get position for the red there. Again, everything is soft. Now I have a couple of options. Since this red allows me to get better angle for the blue, I will play this red ball into the corner pocket, touch of right hand side. Perfect angle for the blue. I can play the shot both ways. I can play with touch of topspin and get position for this red there, which I want to do, or I can play screw back. Both ways are correct. This red allows me to open this red from this side. Again, I have to keep myself correct angle for the blue so I could maintain the break. Touch of topspin, touch of left, just like that. Still very good angle for the red. Now I'm gonna play slice screw back shot and position for this red, and then the break becomes easier and easier for me. Just below center, and I'm slightly off the position, but I can play this red or that red. So I'm just gonna play drop-in shot, stay still during the shot, just like that. You see, guys, this is what happens when you get a pretty straight angle for the blue. And I'm in little trouble right now. You see, this is why you need to get a nice angle for the next shots. So I just have to think through how to go back into the game. So that's why you need to have left and right side, and this is good training to do for you. So now I have to do a screw back and put the red there and go back for the blue. Or if I use colors, I can go just drop in blue and play position for the pink. That's another option. Okay. Now I'm just gonna think what is the better option for me. I'm probably gonna go with the blue since position is easier. So just below center, pause, hit, perfect angle for the blue. This is a thinking drill, guys. Anybody can do it, just you need to plan accordingly. And now I want to drop the blue, get cue ball angle around here from the cushion, and it should be okay. Just like that. Now I'm gonna use touch of the right hand side to make sure that I have a good angle for the red. Okay, looks not too bad. Actually, I wanted to be here, but I got there. So I'm just showing various ways of hitting. So I'm gonna drop in blue, just like that. From there I have to go back to the color, since I have a bad angle. And from there, I could play brown ball using low on the cue ball. And here, I have to play low on the cue ball. Soft grip, touch right. And from there you clear up the colors. So this is a nice drill you can do for intermediate level players. For the beginners, just see how many reds with colors you can pot.